Today, we'll be going over how to install the F1008-30 Super Hitch for your Ford. To start, begin by removing the two bumper support bolts on each side of the receiver. You may also find it convenient to lower and remove the spare tire from the carrier as well. Then unclip and remove the wiring harness. Next, remove the 6 hitch mounting bolts on each side of the vehicle. The two rearmost bolts on each side of the vehicle must be removed from the upper side of the truck. You will need to use the factory bolts again for reinstallation, so make sure to hang on to them for later. With the factory hitch removed, you will want to take off and reattach the factory brackets and plate nuts to the Super Hitch side plates. With the Super Hitch plate flanges pointed inward, loosely reinstall the factory hardware through the side plates. You want the factory bolts loose for the time being so that you are able to maneuver the cross tube into the plates easier. Secure the hitch tube to the side plates using the provided 1/2-inch hardware. Slide the bumper back into place and secure the bumper support bracket to the hitch using the provided 3/8 hardware. Torque and secure all the 1/2-inch hardware for the side plates. Once the factory bolts are secure, 2 of the vertically aligned bolts will need to be unscrewed to install the side strap. Install the side strap as well as the provided 2x2 plate washer connecting your Super Hitch plate to your frame. Double check that all the bolts are secure to the proper specs. If necessary, utilize the provided sleeve to reduce the upper receiver from 2.5 inches into a 2-inch receiver. When you're ready to use your super hitch, secure your towables with the provided pin and clips.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklifts products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.